Okay, I've got 6 jumbo donuts. I've got a shot glass. Just gonna squish it into these jumbo muffin tins, just like so. This is like a fun brunch recipe, perfect for spring. Got 6 eggs and a little bit of half and half, just a splash. Some Lawry's seasoning salt. Just use regular salt if you want. And some cracked black pepper. Give that a quick mix. Oh, look at these eggs. Hey, what are eggs like? What's the price of eggs where you are? Let me know. Like right now, they're about $6 a dozen, and I'm in Nevada. Okay, once that is mixed together, we're just gonna take this and pour some over every little divot that we made. I think scrambling the eggs is such a great way to get a lot of use out of your eggs, as opposed to like cracking out like a whole dozen. I'm only using 6 eggs and a little bit of that half and half. And look, I have plenty of egg to go around for these jumbo muffins. Just like that. To that, we're gonna get these already cooked sausage links. I'm only using half of the pack because that's 6 of them. You just go ahead and cut these up with a pair of scissors. These are like so easy to make ahead of time as well, and it's great for a crowd. You have a dozen donuts, you can make twice as many. We're gonna do the same thing with this fully cooked bacon. Take half of that packet and we're just gonna add some chopped bacon. You can use Canadian bacon if you want, or English, what do they call them, rashers, instead of American bacon. Completely up to you. I like this kind of streaky American bacon. It's got a lot of fat, and to me, it tastes better. But you know, use whatever you'd like. You can even use like pepperoni in this if you want. If you have any like leftover cold cuts, you can use that for this too. Let me go back and add some to these. And then we're gonna be topping everything with a little bit of shredded cheese. I'm using Colby Jack, but you can use cheddar or just straight Monterey Jack if you want, or even like a pepper jack or something with a little bit of a kick. It's so good. And you can customize this recipe however you'd like, and it's gonna be good no matter what savory toppings you add to these egg-filled donuts. And then we're gonna put this into an oven at 350 for about 20 minutes. Oh, wow. So what you didn't see is how this completely puffed up and then it fell back down because it's scrambled eggs. But let's take a look at this one right here. These look so good, guys. Can't wait to cut into this and show you what it looks like. Really help that we greased these muffin tins, but wow, look at that. So go ahead and get a plate. That. I'm gonna go ahead and cut right into this, and then we're gonna give it a taste test. Oh, wow, take a look at that. It's all eggy with the sausage and the bacon. That's absolutely delicious. Meal in one, sweet, savory, cheesy, perfect.